In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 on autopilot every single day promoting Digistore24 products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description where you can enroll for this CPA course and start making money in passive income online. All right, so the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to create a Digistore24 account if you don't have one already. All you just need to do is to go over to digistore24.com and you want to click on the register now button right here. And for those who don't know how to create a Digistore24 account from banned countries, I have already made a video regarding that. All you just need to do is to look around the channel and you will find the video on how to create a Digistore24 account from banned countries. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to come over to the marketplace section and you want to select a product. All you need to do is to come over to the digital product section right here and you are going to find numerous products that you can start promoting right away. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example. And you can see I have access to over 100 products that I can start promoting right away. So this one right here says the ultimate keto meal plan, and this product is going to pay 25 Canadian dollars right here. And I always recommend you go for products that are not so expensive, because the more expensive the product is, the more difficult it is to get a sale. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to set up a Facebook group for your niche. And to do that, all you need to do is to go over to Facebook and you want to click on this menu icon right here. And once you do that, you want to click on this group right here to create a Facebook group. All you just need to do from here is to basically give the Facebook group a name, and you want to also make sure you select the privacy to private. Okay, it's very important you do this. So once you create your group, you want to make sure you add a banner to this group right here. As you can see, you want to add a banner image, and to do that, you can basically come over to pexels.com and you want to type in weight loss right here. Okay, and this is going to depend on whatever niche you are working with, and you can select any of these pictures right here. Okay, you can use them for absolutely free without copyright issues. So basically all you just need to do is to download any of the pictures and you want to add it right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to come over to this section right here that says membership questions. Okay, so once you click on this membership questions, you want to click on this add right here. So once you click on this add question right here, you want to write something like this: what is your name? And you want to come over to this section and you want to select this written answer. So basically once people want to join your Facebook group, they have to provide their name right here and you want to click on save. So once you do that, you want to basically come over here and click on this create again, and you want to type in provide your email address right here. You want to select this written answer and you want to click on save. So basically once people want to join your Facebook group, as you can see right here, they have to type in their name right here and they also have to type in their email address. So basically this is a very powerful and a very simple method, and I'm going to show you how to make profit with this method right here. So basically, since we are promoting a weight loss product, as you can see right here, the keto meal plan, you want to basically look for people in the weight loss niche, as they are the ones who will be interested in this product. So as you can see right here, weight loss advice, over 300,000 members in this group. You can see this is another group right here, weight loss diet, with over 30,000 members. So basically these are groups right here that we are going to be driving traffic from. Okay, so basically if we take this one right here as an example, if I click on this weight loss advice, so the next thing is to basically join this subreddit right here by clicking on join. So once you click on join right here, you want to basically come over to this plus button right here to create a post. So once you click on that, you are going to see this section right here where you can create a post. So you want to type in a title like this right here: my free contribution to the subreddit. And for the description, you want to basically type in, hey guys, I just created a Facebook group for those of us who are struggling to lose weight. The goal is to basically share tips and tricks that has worked for each other. So I hope you all join. It's completely free and will help raise awareness for others who are struggling to lose weight. So basically you can just type in something like this. You want to type in something like click here. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go back to Facebook and you want to basically copy your Facebook group. As you can see, this is your Facebook group link right here. So once you copy this link right here, you want to go back to Reddit, and once you highlight this, you want to click on this link icon right here and you want to paste in your Facebook group link right here. You want to click on insert. All right. So basically, once people see this post, they will be taken over to Facebook. And before they join your Facebook group, they have to type in their name right here. And they also have to provide their email address. Okay. Bonus tip right here. You can go over to a website called sproutgigs.com and you can basically come over to this section that says post job. So once you click on post job right here, you can basically select any region right here. Okay, so I'm just going to be leaving this as international right here. Okay, and you want to click on this, apply, and go to next. So once you do that, you want to make sure you select this Facebook micro influencer right here. And you want to scroll down to click on this join a group right here. Okay, and you want to click on apply and go to next. So basically, you want to give a job title like this, which says join this Facebook group. And you want to come over to this section that says what specific tasks will be needed to complete, and you want to type in something like this. Click this link right here and you are going to paste in your Facebook link right here, and the next step is that they join the Facebook group. Okay, so basically then you want to scroll down to this section that says required proof job was completed. All right, and you want to type in something like provide screenshot of joining the group, and you want to make sure you select this screenshot proof right here. So once that is done, all you just basically need to do is to click on this, apply, and go to next. It doesn't matter whatever you select right here. You can leave it as starter right here. All right. So basically you want to select 50 to 100 participants right here. So if I take 50 right here as an example, you can see right here, this is going to cost you only $3 right here. And keep in mind, this product costs $25 right here. So basically all you need is one sale and you've made your money back. All right. So you can do this right here, but this is not compulsory. The importance of this is basically so that when people from Reddit are joining the group, they are going to see that there are other people who are already in the group, because that way it's going to leave some social proof and it's going to make them more likely to join the group, because they are going to assume the people in this group are other people who are interested in that niche. So basically, if you can do this, it's going to increase the ratio at which people are going to join your Facebook group. Okay, so basically you want to add some money right here and you will be able to hire people who are going to join the Facebook group. So now you want to repeat the same strategy by going over to Quora as well. So if you go over to Quora and you type in how to lose weight right here, you are going to see a lot of questions regarding how to lose weight on Quora. So basically all you just need to do is to answer this question right here. And basically you don't need to write anything more than this same script right here, telling people to join this Facebook group. And keep in mind, Quora gets hundreds of millions of visits every single month. Likewise, Reddit as well. Okay, so basically, if you combine these two platforms right here to drive traffic to your Facebook group, definitely you are going to get at least 100 people joining your group every single day. Okay, so now once you have people join your group, so now I'm going to be taking this list right here as an example. So once you have people join your Facebook group and they've submitted their emails, so basically the major advantage of this method is you can build an email list of your own that you can keep sending multiple ClickBank offers or Digistore24 offers, because you already know this list is interested in that niche. Okay, so basically that is why this method is so powerful. You can keep sending these people as many health or weight loss related offers as possible. All right, so what you want to do from here is very simple. You can basically use platform like Aweber, or you can use GetResponse to basically send emails to these people right here. And now you may be wondering, where do you get emails from? So all you just need to do is to come over to the affiliate support page. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of resources that you can use to make money with this product. So basically, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you are going to see a section that says, I have an email list. I want to send email blast. So basically you want to click on this button right here. You are going to be provided with converting email swipes that you can use to make money. Okay, so basically now if I click on this document right here, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page right here. Okay, so basically if I scroll down, you can see this is the first email example that I can use right here. You can see this is the subject line right here. Okay, and you can see this is the email. So everything has been made free and easy for you. You don't even need to write this email yourself. Okay, so basically this is how easy and how simple it is to use this method. So for those who don't have money to use Aweber or GetResponse email software, you can basically use your Gmail as well. As you can see right here, you can send at least 90 emails every single day if you are using your regular Gmail. And if you have a workspace, which is formerly known as G Suite, you can basically send over 100 emails every single day. And if you have a recently created Gmail, you can basically send about 50 emails every single day. All right. So basically, this is up to you. If you don't have a budget to use these platforms right here, you can still go ahead to use your regular Gmail to send at least 90 emails every day. And like I said, you are going to get about 100 emails every single day. If you combine Reddit and Quora right here, because this platform gets millions of visits every single day. So once you do that, like I said, all you need to do is to copy the email right here. And if you are using Gmail, all you need to do is to come over to this compose right here. All right. So once you click on the compose, you want to paste in the emails right here. All right. As you can see right here, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have about 7 emails right here. Like I said, I'm just taking these emails right here as an example. So now you want to basically go back to the Google Doc file right here, and you want to copy the title right here, and then you want to paste this as the subject right here. Okay, and then you want to go back and you want to copy. So once you copy this right here, you want to go back to your email and you want to paste this right here. You want to highlight this text right here, and this is where you are going to be pasting your link. All right, so you want to go back to Digistore24 and you want to copy your affiliate link. So once you do that, you want to go back to Gmail and you want to highlight this right here and you want to select this link right here. And basically you want to paste in your Digistore24 link right here and you want to click on OK. So once people receive this email in their inbox, they will be able to click on this link to get this keto recipe right here. And once they do that, they will be sent to this page right here. Okay, and keep in mind this product costs $25 right here. So basically all you need is 5 people out of the 100 people that you are going to be sending email every single day to purchase this product. So if 5 people out of the 90 people decide to purchase this product, you've already made $100 that way. So basically this is going to work for any niche on Digistore24. All you just need to do is to follow this method correctly and you are going to make money in passive income. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.